An extension of tax holidays spanning 10 years for new investments in manufacturing of tires, footwear, mattresses or toothpaste, among others, with capital outlays of between $150,000 and $300,000, will be provided by the Uganda Revenue Authority in the new financial year 2020-2021.
I'll let you know that this exemption spreads across the tax heads. You will be exempted for VAT, you will be exempted for excise duty, you will be exempted from income tax, and also stamp duty to the extent possible, where you will need stamp duty. So that's a big one.
But with a yardstick of employing at least 70% of citizens and sourcing of up to 70% of local materials or inputs, some tax policy analysts are demanding that periodic audits on compliance by investors reaping from tax holidays remains critical.
And the fact that there are conditionalities of using local materials, local labor, and also the wages. But what we have realized is that there is no report back, because this isn't the first time that the Ministry of Finance is providing these incentives.
There have been concerns from some sections of the local business community that the threshold for the tax holidays remains so high for them to qualify.
If you're below 10 million, you will not pay tax. Turnover. Because this is essentially a turnover tax. If you're below 10 million, you will not pay tax. If you're slightly above 10 million, but you're not exceeding 30, you pay 0.4%. Or if you have no records at all, and we have used the estimate, you'll pay 80,000. That's for the small taxpayers.
With up to 60% of new tariff measures on selected imports imposed, the Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development says that some of the new tax holidays are aimed at growing domestic production and earnings.
There are things that we can make locally here in the country where the raw materials are plenty and abundant. We should take advantage of them. And I think government is committed to that. There have been policy pronouncements to that effect.
Raina Ojen, NTV Business.